All right, guys, this is the Makita 18 volt LXT brushless cordless half-inch hammer driver drill. Now, this is a very compact tool for a hammer drill, and it still packs a lot of power. It has a 2-speed transmission, with the first gear being 0 to 550 RPMs and the second gear being 0 to 2100 RPMs. You got 0 to 31,500 BPM on this thing. And that's going to be the speed of basically the hammer drill. Now, along with that, you also have 1,250 inch-pounds of torque. So again, a lot of power in this thing. As you notice, I did say 0 to 550 or 0 to 2100 RPMs. It is a variable speed trigger. So again, the more you pull it, the faster it's going to go. On here, you have a light. It's going to shine as soon as you pull that trigger. It's going to stay on for a while afterwards as well. Up here, you have your transmission, first, second gear. Now, on here as well, you have your clutch. Again, you have your drill setting here. Then you have first, second, third. So you have a 21-speed clutch. That's not including your hammer drill settings. You go back here. Right there, you've got your hammer drill. That's where your BPMs are going to come in handy here. You got a 1/2-inch chuck here, and this is a self-ratcheting chuck. The other thing I do like about this is the rubberized grip here. So you're not tearing up your hands. It's nice and soft. If you do happen to drop it, you've got these pieces here that are going to stick out so that it should hit that rubberized part first, which is nice. So it's easy on your hands, nice, easily to hold on to, very compact. It comes with a handle here. It can be easily attached. Just unscrew that. And you can put that on either side. Again, just flip it around. Along with that, you of course get a depth gauge here. Working on something, you set your depth on how deep you want that bit to go based on this, and then you just lock it in place, especially if you're doing a lot of repetitious drills. Just a great drill, a lot of power. I love the compact design. This is only a 1 amp hour battery, but you can put a 5 amp hour battery on there as well, and you'll get a lot of power out of this thing, and I get a lot of use out of it.